Chris and I have been asked to present 2 awards to the incredibly talented people responsible for stirring our imagination through the use of sound.
Sound adds dimension to film, whether it be simple and naturalistic or terrifying and out of this world. First up, here are the nominees for Achievement in Sound Editing.
And the Oscar goes to Mad Max Fury Road, Mark Mangini, and David White.
This is the first Oscar and nomination for David White, the first win and 4th nomination for Mark Mangini, who was previously nominated for Star Trek IV: The Voyage Home, Aladdin, and The Fifth Element.
Fucking Mad Maxers! Let's hear it! Yeah! For thousands of years, we've been telling stories in the dark around a flickering light. Whether a campfire or a projector, David and I do it with sound. George Miller would tell us, Mad Max is a film we see with our ears. I knew sound could tell my story, but nothing quite like this. Sound artists are storytellers. Thank you, George. I hope to see you around the next campfire.
Yeah, I'm so proud to work on this loud, loud, loud film that actually had silence in it. So good to work with this guy, and I'm proud to represent all my Australian colleagues. Yeah!
The Aussies!